quick story about these grapes, and a question. 3 years ago, I bought these grapes and I put them down. The first year, we didn't get any grapes from it, which was sad, but I understand that's kind of how it goes, right? The second year, which was last year, it grew and it gave us grapes, and the grapes were okay. They were a bit more sour and tart, but a couple of them were pretty sweet, and we did get a couple of handfuls off of it. But this year, when I was mulching the garden and settling it back, the lawnmower man came and he buzzed all through this and he cut this stalk down completely. And there was nothing on it. It looked like that one. My question is, am I going to continue to get grapes off of this thing this year? Am I going to get grapes this year? Or do I got to start all the way over with the process? Let me know. Because it would be great if I were to get grapes off of this thing this year and not have to wait another 3 years. That's all. Quick video, quick question. Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.